Hello everyone, this is Om and welcome to Civilraja, your gateway to future. So guys, we are going to study a 30 feet by 50 feet plot in this particular session, and before this we have already studied a lot of plans over here. So today we are going to study three different plans, and before I directly jump to the plans, I have something to share with you. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to Civil Raja channel on YouTube yet, then you can go ahead and just subscribe it, and also if you are liking this video, then hit the like button. Okay, so guys, on this channel you will get a lot of videos related to the study of the architectural plans, and we are also coming up with great offers related to the civil engineering field over here. If you are preparing for the SSC right now, then you can also check out our website. On our website you will see that there are different portals, and we also help you to like achieve the success in your exam. So for that, what you can do, you can just go to the civilraja.co.in, and over there you will find a section of graduate engineering, and over here you will find the SSC section where you can just go and you can just give the mock tests for that, and it will help you to prepare for the exams. Okay, so the mock tests are available in both Hindi and English, so you can just go ahead and check it out. There are a bunch of papers and a few of them are logged. You can also go ahead and check some free mock tests over here. Okay, now if you are like someone who is willing to learn the AutoCAD, then you can learn it from the application of the Civil Raja. So you have to go to your mobile first, then open the Play Store, and then you will look for the Civil Raja, and this app will come over on your mobile, and you can simply install it. Here I have already completed the series of the AutoCAD. You can just go ahead and watch the series. That series is available in English audio only for now, but yeah, we are also working on the Hindi audio. So if you want that, then you can simply just write that in the comment section, and I will also make a Hindi course for the AutoCAD, like how to operate with the AutoCAD, and about the syllabus of that I will discuss in a few minutes. But for now, we will just directly go to the our AutoCAD, and over here we are going to study this new plan of 30 feet by 50 feet today. So guys, this is a ground floor plan, as it is clear because we have this lawn over here, and we do not usually put the lawn on any other floor. So yeah, this is our ground floor, and you can see this is a north facing plan over here. Now one thing is, here we have a like dotted line, and this is denoting the top floor slab. That means this top floor is extended till this portion of the building, and now the ground floor is extended till this portion only. Okay, so this is the significance of the hidden line over here. Now guys, when I'm studying the plan, I will also tell you a lot many detailed things over here, so that it is easy for you to understand each and everything that is mentioned over here. Now guys, I'm just going to change the color of the walls over here so that it will be easily relatable to you, or I can simply change the furniture color so that it will be good for you to understand all this. So I'm just going to make it pink. Okay, so all the furnitures are in pink color now, so now it will be easier to study. Now you can see we have a porch area, and this porch area is 8 feet by 18 feet 6 inches, which is a wide porch area to park a car, and even the two-wheelers can be parked over here. Then from here we have also an entrance point, and this entrance point is directly taking up to the dining room, and this is provided just below the staircase. So yeah, the space has been saved over here, and also this staircase is not in the right way placed. Okay, but it is a good use of the space to place it like this. Otherwise, if we would have placed it in a clockwise direction, it would have taken a lot of space over here, and this would have not been a great arrangement for us. Okay, but yeah, it was possible to do it if the door would have been placed over here instead of here. Okay, so I'm also suggesting a few changes over here, so you can also go with that changed plan. And if you want us to make the plan, then I will just leave my number in the description. It's 8433248864, and you can just go ahead and give me a call, and I can make a plan for you like this. Okay, now we will reach through this door to this dining area automatically, and now we can see we have a like a veranda over here, which is 4 feet 10 inches wide, quite like wide for a movement. And then we will just enter through here. Then this is our drawing room, or you can say hall. Okay, so here we can have our relaxing area for our guests. Then we can see that we have placed two center tables over here. So this dining area, this drawing room is also acting as a living room over here, because we have two center tables. Otherwise the one center table will be enough for the like guests, and we can use this space just for the moment. Okay, now you can see we have this dining table over here, and we this is like good enough for 6 seaters, or you can say 6 people over here. Then we have a common toilet, and we have a bedroom in the front of the building. So you can also see that we have ample space. We have a study table and a chair over here. So yeah, this room is a 10 feet by 10 feet, but it is quite spacious enough because it has been arranged in a proper manner, and we have this window for the ventilation of this room. Similarly, this dining room, oh sorry, the drawing room is getting the ventilation from this lawn, which is very good way to place the window just beside the lawn, because we are going to get the fresh airs from here. Now we have this passage which is 3 meter wide, and this passage is taking us to the puja room. Now this puja room is getting the ventilation through here. So you can see even this space can be used as a parking of the vehicles. If you would have a like a placed a door over here, then this place could not have been used for the parking, but now we can easily provide a window, and we can also provide the parking for a single bike at this space. Okay, so that's why this door has been placed like this. Now we can see we have a kitchen, and this kitchen is getting the ventilation from this wash area as well as this passage area. So yeah, this is quite a good arrangement of the space, and we can also see that this passage is 3 feet 3 inches wide. So for a easy movement, we need a space of 3 feet, but this is more than that. So obviously this is a good arrangement. Then we have a 10 feet 4 inches by 10 feet room. Okay, and this is again well arranged over here. We also have a bed of like this table, and we can also have our cupboard over here. The TV units can be synchronized a little bit because now we use the LED TV. Okay, then we can see we have another master bedroom over here, and this master bedroom is bigger than any other bedroom because it is also containing a toilet of 6 feet by 4 feet 6 inches, and the room size is 10 feet 4 inches by 13 feet 7 inches, which is quite spacious over here. So guys, that was all about this particular plan, and how you have like this plan. You can just keep your suggestions in the like comment section, and I will be very much encouraged if you will just hit the like button to this video if you are liking this. Okay, now before jumping to our next plan of the day, I would like to show you something. So guys, if you want to just to know the course content of the recorded session that is available for the AutoCAD practice on my Civilraja app, then you can see over here. So we have started with the introduction portion. So we will just introduce you to the AutoCAD, then we will learn how to work with the multiple lines in the AutoCAD, then how to work with the circles, arcs, rectangle, polygon. Each and every tool that is required by a civil engineer has been discussed over here, along with the construction lines and the rays, then the how to do the snapping, then how to just move a particular object without interfering with the other objects over there, then how to mirror it, trim it, extend it, how the layer works, and what are the different properties that we can change for any particular object or a line that we are drawing in the AutoCAD, then how we can divide a particular line, how we can measure the distances, how we can scale an object, how we can join two lines using the fillet command, how we can provide the offset and make our drafting easier, then how we can set the drawing limits. Okay, when that has been discussed over here, how to make the blocks, like all the furniture that you are seeing over here, all of these are converted into blocks. So whenever I am selecting any particular furniture, then you can see whole furniture is being selected because this has been converted into a block. Okay, after that, we will learn about the dimensions. We will learn about how to calculate the area, what are the right ways of plotting and the printing, then how to do the complete 2D plan drafting, how to make the furniture layout, like how to use the CAD block for importing the furnitures and everything. Everything will be discussed in detail in this full course. And then we will go for the column positioning, we will go for beam column layout, then the center line diagram. So till bottom to the from bottom till the top, we are covering each and everything that is required by an architect or a civil engineer in the AutoCAD. So for this complete AutoCAD tutorial, you can just go to the Google Play Store and look for the Civilraja app, and you will find it over there. So the price is 1,999, but normally for now it is at a discount of 50%. So yeah, you can get it for just 999 right now, because this offer is going to like be valid till the August 2022. So you can just go ahead and grab it. Now we will go directly to our next uh, plan over here. So this is again a north facing 30 feet by 50 feet plot. So I'm saying it over here again and again that we are going to give you alternatives of the same plot. Okay, so there are various alternatives that I've already given you, and I'm going to keep giving you a few more alternatives in my upcoming sessions. So in this session there are 3 alternatives, but that is not the end, so that you can know that okay, just for a single plot, oh, how many ways we can just adjust the things so that it can work out for us. Okay, now I'm going to just show you the next alternative over here of the day, that is this one. Okay, so here we have a 8 feet 8 inches wide gate, then we have the porch area, then we have this 20 feet 8 inches by 5 feet lawn. Okay, then you can see we have the veranda space over here, so we can just park our vehicles, then we can just go to the dining area, or you can say the living area, through this door. And this is the second entrance of the building. Now we have to go with the main entrance. So for the main entrance, we have this veranda of 4 feet 6 inches, which is giving us access to the door to the drawing room. And this drawing room is quite spacious because it is 16 feet by 13 feet over here. Now you can see we have this passage, or this is an arc shape. That means we are not providing any kind of particular door over here, but yeah, we can just provide it, or we cannot, we can simply skip it also. So this is the arc space. So for now it has been left as a passage of 5 feet. Now you can see we have this toilet area over here, and this toilet is a common toilet. Then on the right we have the kitchen. Just in the front of the kitchen we have our dining room, which is a quite a good arrangement for the dining. Okay, now you can see we have this staircase over here, and now this staircase is the incorrect arrangement because this is a clockwise staircase over here. Okay, now we can see that this drawing room is also giving us the passage to go into this bedroom, which is also opening to the backyard. And now we have this master bedroom over here, and the attached toilet is of size 4 feet 8 inches by 8 feet. Now this bedroom is of 14 feet by 13 feet, and then we are getting the ventilation through this wash area. This kitchen is also containing a storeroom, which is 4 feet by 7 feet, ample space for the storage. Okay, so guys, uh, in this plan we have bigger bedrooms over here in consideration to the previous one. We have 1 2 3 bedrooms even in the previous arrangement, but now all the bedrooms were almost of 10 feet by 10 feet or somewhere around it. But in this particular plan we have all the rooms of the bigger size. 10 feet by 13 feet was the biggest room in the previous plan, but now here this is the, I guess, smallest room. Or let me confirm it, 1 bedroom 2 bedroom. Okay, so this is just a 2 bhk. Okay, previously it was 3 bhk, now this is 2 bhk. So if we are going for the 2 bhk alternative, then we are getting more space for each bedroom over here, and then we can go for the next floor also, and we can extend our bedrooms over there. So that is not an issue. Even on the ground floor we are getting a 2 bhk house, so that is quite a good arrangement. Okay, now we are going to go for the next plan of the day, that is will be the last plan also. But before studying this combined plan, that means the ground floor as well as the first floor, I have one more information for you. So what is that? If you want to learn how to do the building planning, okay, then you can simply just come over here and you can see that, okay, we will learn each and every step of the building planning, like how to make a 2D plan, what are the concepts behind making a 2D plan, how we think of making a plan, how we consider the vastu, each and everything we are going to learn in this particular course. And we are not going to simply draw a line like this is also a plan layout. Okay, this is also a way to submitting the plan. This is another way of submitting the plan. So this is just a plan layout over here. In this plan you will see a little bit of the improvement is there, and other than the plan layout we also have the floor layout over here. So this is the floor layout. That means we are placing some tiles over here so that the client can get an idea that okay, we can place tiles in such a manner over here. Now this is a furniture layout, like all the furnitures are placed over here, and we can exactly see that okay, this is this space for the moment, and this will be the uh, space which will be under the furniture, so we cannot use it for a moment. But yeah, I can place my bed over here, I can place my study table over here. So all this thing can be done if we have this furniture layout with us. Okay, now if we are talking about the kitchen, where we are going to place the chula, where we are going to place the sink, where we are going to place our fridge, everything will be clearly defined at this place. Okay, so all the things can be easily pointed out in if you are making a furniture layout. So you will learn how to make a furniture layout like this. Okay, then it is not going to end over here. You will learn the theories behind placing the columns. Okay, so in the previously recorded course, so what you are learning how to place the columns. But in this particular course of building planning, you will learn where to exactly place the columns and how to make the center line diagrams, what are the concepts behind making the beam column layout, and how the center line diagram is going to help in the execution of that plan on site. Okay, so everything will be taught to you in detail, and the course fee is 3,999 for the Zoom classes. So these classes are going to be live, but you will also get the recorded sessions of the live sessions that you are attending. Okay, and this will not take much of your time. It will just take 10 to 12 days to master in this course, and each day you have to dedicate just 1 to 1.5 hours, and you will be ready for the industry, and you will definitely get placed as an architect in any architect firm. Or if you're looking for a job as a civil engineer and you are a fresher, then this course can help you out with that, because you will be learning all the key concepts of making a building plan. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and start with our last plan of the day, which is plan layout right now. And this is a ground floor along with the first floor plan. So yeah, this is quite better than the previous plans. Okay, now guys, you can see we have this ground floor plan. Okay, and this is our lawn area, which is 6 feet 4 inches wide. Okay, now we have this veranda space also over here. But before we are talking about the verandas and the entry room, or you can say the entrance room, we must take care of our main gate over here. So this is our main gate, and this is at a 0 level. Then we have this porch area, which is plus 6 inches level. That means a little higher than what is our ground level over here. So now if you will go for such an arrangement, then what will happen actually, you will feel it convenient when it is a rainy season. So normally in the rainy season, what actually happens that uh, water is rushing into our houses, or you can say our house is flooded with the rainwater. Okay, so to avoid that, we can do what, we can simply raise our levels of the floors a little bit. Okay, so the porch area is plus 6 inches. So obviously even if the level will rise on the roads, our home is going to be secured, because even the porch area is 6 inches high. Then when we talk about the actual level of the floor, that is the ground floor level, that is 18 inches high. Okay, so this is the 6 inch over here. Then we have these two stairs, that means 6 plus 6, and both risers are giving it a height of 18 inches. So you can see it is 1.5 feet higher than the ground level over there. So this is going to be a better arrangement. And whenever you are constructing your house nowadays, if you are learning living in a area, or if you are planning to live in an area where the drainage is not very good, then you can go for this kind of arrangement. So I can say that every plan is unique, every architect thinks in a unique way. So if you are willing to learn all the uniqueness, then you have to study a lot of plans. And our channel, that means the Civilraja YouTube channel, is going to help you out with that. If you want to learn the concepts in just crisp of time, then you can simply just go ahead and enroll for our building planning course. Now we have a lot more things than this also. So for that, you can simply just give us a call at 8433248864 and that is number is already in the description, I guess. So you can just check it out. Now you can see Through these two steps, we are going to reach out to the veranda. And now, after reaching to the veranda, this is our entry room. And you can say we also have a window over here. So this is going to provide us the ventilation as well as the lighting over here. This is again going to be a north-facing house, because the assignments that has been given to the students was of north-facing house, and all these plans are made by other students and not by me. So, like, excuse me for that. Now you can see we have this drawing room come hall over here, which is 14 feet 4 inches by 14 feet. And then you can see we have two steps over here, and now this level is 30 inches high. That means say 1 feet, 2 feet, so 2.5 feet higher than the ground level. Okay, so this is 30 inches wide higher over here, and this is going to be used as a dining come living area. And then it is also providing us access to this particular staircase over here. So we are going to go with the staircase, and it will just move like this. Then we can see that this dining area is also giving us passage to go to this bedroom, which is 12 feet by 16 feet, this common toilet, which is 5 feet by 7 feet 4 inches, this kitchen, which is having the access to the storeroom as well as this open space. And this open space is getting giving the ventilation to this toilet, this bedroom, and this kitchen also. Okay, in the showroom, we don't need any kind of ventilation, but if you want to just replace it by Puja Room, then you can also go with it, because the room is quite enough over here. Now you can see we have these three steps over here. So these three steps are just to match the level of this floor. That means this was just 6 inches high, and then we have these steps, and these steps will help us to just match the level of this floor at living area. Okay, or you can say the floor of the our actual building. Then using the staircase, we can reach out to the next floor. And over here you can see we have this double height provided over here. That means we have this curved space over here, and this room is of double height to make our house look bigger. Okay, now you can see this is a quite a luxury arrangement over here. Okay, now we can see we have a bedroom over here. Okay, so this is the arrangement for the bedroom, and this bedroom is also having a beautiful balcony over here. Then this is a toilet which is attached to this bedroom, so you can consider it as a master bedroom. Then we have an open terrace over here, and this is quite an open space, just uh so that we can have the a ventilation in a proper way. Okay, for this particular building and everything. Or we can also cast this over here. That is not an issue. Okay, we can also just close this slab, because this is open open terrace space, so we can also use this space. And the staircase can the space below the staircase can get the ventilation even from this porch area, because this is quite a wide space open over here. If it would have been not that wide, then we can have keep this open to just to provide the ventilation for this kitchen. But right now I guess that this is quite enough to provide the ventilation, so we can go with either this arrangement, or we can just keep it closed. Okay, then we have this bedroom on the left, toilet in the center, and the bedroom on the right. Then we have this storeroom space as the toilet space being used over here, and this space is to be left open because it is open over here. So if we will not keep it open at this space, then it will be meaningless at this space also. Okay, so guys, I guess we are quite clear with all the three plans. If you have any kind of confusion, then you can simply just put that in the comment box. If you don't have any kind of confusion, then you can simply just go ahead and hit the like button to this video if you haven't liked it yet. And if you think that, okay, someone is in need of making a plan, or you can think that if we can help them out with the plan, so then you can simply suggest us to that particular person. I can help them to make their beautiful home, or you can say the dream home over there. Now, to do so, you can simply refer this video, and they can just give me a call at 8433248864. In the end, I have just one last announcement for you, and that is going to be the most beautiful announcement of the day. So I'm just going to announce you our new batch, that is our interior designing, guys. So guys, you can see we are going to provide you the industrial training on the interior design, and over here we will learn how to make an attractive interior for the residential and the commercial buildings. And to make it happen, we are going to use the SketchUp and the V-Ray. So SketchUp will be for the 3D modeling, V-Ray will be for the rendering of that 3D model. And we have already started our batch. So if you are going to register now, then you can register for it. Our course fee is at a discounted price and it is at 4,999 only. So if you want to enroll in this batch, this is going to be a live session, so you can simply enroll it. And if you want to just make your plan for later, then our batch is going to start on every 1st and 15th of each and every month. Okay, so you can simply just enroll that. You have to, what you have to do, you have to simply give us a call on 8433248864. So this is your number, guys. You have to simply call on that, and we will see you in the session. So that was all for today, and just keep learning and stay motivated. Hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to Civilraja. Thank you, guys.